hugging, smiling, phone in our hands, scrolling through faces we call our friends. But somewhere between the likes and views, we forgot the weight of the words we choose. Talanoa turned to shout in flames, dragging family, dragging names, brother against sisters on a glowing screen for 15 seconds of being seen. Navosa, Idua Nakamosi, words can cut deeper than a bruise. Once they fly, they don't come home. They live forever in digital stone. Oikeda Fijians, what are we doing? Pulling each other down instead of moving. TikTok wasn't built to break our soul. It was meant to connect us, make us whole. Rise up, Buvali, remember who we are. From the village green to overseas afar, let love be louder than the online fight. We're stronger together, choose that side. We carry Vanua in our name and blood, not gossip, jealousy, and online mud. Our elders taught us respect and grace, not public shame in a public space. Children watching, learning fast. What we post today shapes their past. If they see hate dressed up as truth, what kind of future are we giving you? Na noda, itovo edaki like ina. Our behavior is not a joke. Screens may hide our face and eyes, but karma still knows the source of lies. Oikeda Fijians, listen closely. Clicks and clout will never hold me. TikTok should heal, not divide our kin, not turn private pain into public sin. Lift each other, not expose. We all carry wounds nobody knows. If we stand for peace, not pride or fame, we reclaim our dignity, not shame. Remember when laughter filled the room, stories shared under the moon. No filters, no edits, no war for views, just hearts connected, honest and true. If you're hurting, speak. Don't attack if you're rising. Pull someone back. Isegani said, Naveva Kamadu Ataki. There is no victory in humiliation. Final. One voice, one stand, one people spread across many lands. Let TikTok be a place we build, not burn, where lessons are shared and bridges return. From Suva to Sydney, Lautoka to LA, let kindness be what we display. Nanoleva Navego, kind of mebume, love, respect, support. That's our truth. Kabula. Words keep echoing long after we speak, so choose them wisely. No hitokani, because healing starts with you and me.